All right, lesson 1E. How do we solve a system of equations by graphing? Okay, here we go. The solution to a linear system is where they cross each other, the intersection point. And it's going to be in terms of x and y. So we got these two equations these two are lines on a graph. And they, let's say they do cross. And what would be the intersection point where they cross each other? Let's go ahead and graph. We did a lot of practicing graphing last time. Let's graph the first one. So the y-intercept is positive 3. And the slope is in front of x is a 1 over 1, rise up 1 over 1. And we do get this line going like this. Let's graph in the second one. It's plus 4. The y-intercept is 4. Rise up 2 over 1. So it's going to go now rise up 2 over 1. Rise up 2 over 1. Or we can go down 2 over 1. And so the intersection point would be the solution. That's what it says. The solution to the system is this point here, which is going to be what? X is what? Negative 1 and y is 2. How can we test that this is true? If you really wanted to, you can graph or plug it into the functions, each of them. If I was to make sure that it's true, this is x and this is y, plug it in, it has to make a true statement. Y is 2. X is negative 1 plus 3. What's negative 1 plus 3? That's 2 is equal to 2. It checks out. If I plug it in this one, y is 2. 2 times x, 2 times negative 1 plus 4. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 4. Has to equal to 2. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2 is equal to 2. It checks out again. It has to check out for both. So that's what solving a system is to figure out what they cross each other out at. Problem number 2. You got your x and the y. So let's this is how do you graph x equal negative 2 and y equals 3? So let's do this one first. Let's do this one. So that one makes more sense. Why? Because if we put it in y equals mx plus b form, it's because it's missing what? The x. There's no x here. Why is that true? Is because it's, there's no x because m is 0. That's why it's not written down. So b better be 3. So now you got 0 times x is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. That's why it's written as y equal to 3. And now we can look at it and you know that the y-intercept is 3. And now how does slope of zeros look like? You're not going up at all, but you're going across 1. So whenever you have a slope of 0, it's going to be a horizontal line. So if this is a horizontal line, then what do you think x equal negative 2 going to be? A vertical line at negative 2. So then this is the vertical line here. So the solutions where they cross each other telling you that x is negative 2 and y is 3. And we're done. The crossing point is at negative 2. That's the solution for both. All right. Then we're going to do the next one.